came crashing down at my feet. I've seen it all before, in a different city, different street. Something about you made me look again. Maybe I recognize myself in the fall. What are the odds two strangers should meet and find that they were strangers at all? Eyes may close and lungs may cease to breathe. Music may stop and everybody leave, but we are never ending. You swing an axe at my core, and I came crashing down at your feet. I've been burnt before, in a different fire, different heat. I saw something dancing in the flames. Maybe I recognize myself in your glow. What are the odds